So since we were going to discuss the differences between PC and Mac Excel, I've noticed that the top bar wasn't really in the PC version. So what's that about?
You're right. This is the menu bar in the Mac, and since I have an Excel window open, it is the Excel menu bar. So that's one of the differences we have. And you'll notice, for example, when I click on File, that's where we found the Save and Save As. One of the differences here is that we do not have Backstage View from our ribbon. In a PC, you would click somewhere over here and it would take you to Backstage View. Here we click on File and it'll take us to a menu. And if I was, for example, to choose New from Template, that's Backstage View that we're familiar with. So I have that difference. As I mentioned before, we have the ribbon, and the ribbon still works for us very similar to the PC. The main difference with the ribbon is that some of the buttons are different on the Mac ribbon.
Okay.
Another thing about the ribbon that's different is we don't have a dialog box launcher. Some of the ribbons on a PC have a little button down in the bottom right corner of a group that pops up a dialog box. We can access most of those items through the menu up here, so there won't be any launchers from down here.
Okay.
Another thing is we can click on a cell and we don't have that mini toolbar. You know, it comes up like a ghost.
Mm-hmm.
That's not available to us here. Another thing that's not available, I'll click over here on cell A1 so we can see it, is we don't have live preview. So if I click on the drop down for the font, on a PC, if I point to, for example, this font, a body MT condensed, I would see it reflected in cell A1 as how it might look as a live preview. That's not available on the PC version.
Okay.
The other main difference is your keyboard on a Mac. For example, we have the command button, which takes the place of the control button in a lot of features that we use the keyboard for with Excel.
Okay.
For the most part, these are the major differences. We'll run across a few as we're going through some other information on Excel, but that should get you moving quickly into using the Mac.
Okay. Well, that wasn't as many as I thought it was going to be.